Charlie here. Some of you have never seen this item before. Some of you might not even know what it is, but I'm here to tell you what it is. This is a vintage oil rain lamp. Now, if you're from the 70s like I am, you'll know exactly what this is because this was in Grandma's living room everywhere. There's various different styles. Almost all of them have the half-naked lady on there. Don't demonetize me. And the green plastic fern sort of forest at the bottom. I'll turn it a little bit so you can see. The other side is the same. And I'll demonstrate it here in a moment, but the purpose of this lamp in the base is full of mineral oil, and there's a submersible pump. The pump pumps mineral oil up one of these chambers into the top, and then it rains down these little nozzles on these monofilaments, fishing line, and it gives the illusion that it's raining. So I'm going to show that here in a moment, and I'm going to first dim the lights because this has a light in it as well, and I'll show you that too here in a sec. And here it is with the lights on. Now, these lamps usually came with a clear incandescent bulb, and a lot of people use them actually for accent lamps, like they would hang them in a corner. For me, even though I'm not a fan of LED, I figured, well, at least I can get the colors. You know, the colors really kind of add to the entire effect to me. Like, as you can see, it's raining now. The red makes it look kind of like it's hot. Now you can also do green, which is a little bit intense, but I can tone it down a little. And, you know, green kind of gives it a nice nature look. You can turn it off and just have it raining. Well, also there's blue, and I like blue. It makes it look kind of ghostly and dark. Turn that up just a little. That's kind of a good color to use at night. Now my favorite, however, is this. It's sort of a bright turquoise, I guess you would say. Almost a cyan. It kind of gives the appearance of sort of stormy sunlight. The top of her head is still blue, but yet the leaves and the ferns and the forest floor are still green. So it's kind of an interesting effect, and definitely my favorite. So here's a little bit of a close-up of this in action. Well, there is the early 70s oil rain lamp in operation. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Do you like it? Is it cheesy? Is this a cool 70s item? Or is it one of those that should remain in the dumpster of the past? Personally, I think it's really cool. Let me know what you think. So, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. It's really important to YouTube. It lets them know that you're enjoying these videos. And only about 50% of the people that regularly watch our videos are subscribers. So what you waiting for? Go ahead. Subscribe. We're putting out new content very frequently now for you guys, and hopefully you're enjoying it just as much as we're enjoying making it. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.